Did it work? Please type in the chat if it works, please. Finally! Oh my lord. That took way too long. Alright. I'm currently playing some random game someone requested in my last video, so that's why I'm playing this. It's the first time I've played this, so probably gonna suck at this. Where am I? Okay, I'm just not at present for some reason. This stream probably won't be really eventful at all, because I have literally no idea what I'm doing right now. I don't even know what I should talk about. Also, one thing that bugs me is like... Hold up. Oh, wait, okay, I don't figure out how I can see if someone's actually watching the stream right now. Yo, Nolan, you still there? Oh, yeah. Alright, thank you for responding. I thought I was alone for a second. Just talking to myself. If you got a game suggestion, I'm happy to take it. So I stutter a lot. I always have to cut it out of my recordings. So that's always kind of annoying. Oh man, he did. Yeah, never bounce. Oh, there's a 15-second delay. Okay, that makes a lot more sense. I can snipe them. Damn. Can I have mod? Sure, how can I do this? If you know how I can make you mod, then I'm happy to make you mod. Let me figure this one out. Add as moderator. Okay. Yeah, I got it. Okay, you should be a standard moderator right now. That should give you about what you need in case someone else joins and does some stuff. I trust you quite a bit because you would be really dedicated if you were here to just ruin me, but yeah, I also don't trust you enough to give you that much, you know? I'm a cautious guy. Oh lord, I'm dead. Oh. Hey. You kind of just randomly appeared in my comment section and just became my most loyal commenter or fan. That feels weird saying, because I'm a pretty small channel. I still cannot really grasp that I actually have fans. I'll now moderate every stream from now on. Alright, thank you. I mean, it would be pretty uneventful, but still, thank you. Holy moly, I got a nuke. Oh, there's 2 nukes. How did everyone get... I'm gonna... I can make that shot. That would be really awesome. But no, I gotta go for this guy. Got him! No! Where's with that stock armor thing? I think you already got it. Oh my, I didn't even mean to kill that. Oh. Yeah. Spray and pray. Nice. Oh lord, it's Hiroshima. Okay, that was a terrible joke. Let me check the back. Alright. Alright, it's... I murdered myself. Oh, you don't have it yet? On my screen, you have a crown and a number 1. So there is something going on. Literal bullet hell over here. meant having the most hearted comments. Oh, yeah, but I literally heart everyone's comments. It's more to show that I actually read someone's comments. Because I don't always reply to someone. You know, when someone just says hi, what could I even respond with there? I could just start favoring you and just hearts only your comments. Just instantly get you to the top comments thing. Oh no. That was easy. What's like? Oh yeah. You had the game idea about paper boats in sea or something, right? Yeah, I kind of completely forgot about it, so that's awkward. It would make for a good video, so I might start working on that later. Sorry. I just had a bunch of stuff going on that I kind of completely forgot about your comments, you know? I now still remember it, but yeah, I also wanted to start practicing on Roblox game development that I just eventually ended up forgetting about your idea. So, but I'll still do it. Now that I remember it, I'll still do it. But you have no idea how grateful I am that you're here. Back when I was a gaming channel going under a different name, I had two. Both were cringy as hell. I mean, still technically is, but it's a lot better than it is now. But anyway, I did like a couple streams, but I never ended up getting any viewers at all. My content also sucks back then, so it does make sense that nobody watched it. And I didn't even talk at all, so that also contributed to why nobody watched it. You can also make it on Roblox if it's easy. Sure. I can try. I mean, your game idea is mostly it's mostly a single player game, so Unity would be quite good for that. So that's also something to consider. So, but we'll see. We'll see. If I make it on Roblox, I would either have to make it one player, which is totally possible, or make. I've completely forgot what I said. Yeah, but we'll see. We'll see. I'll figure it out. I unlimited myself again. I died almost instantly. I'm going to die instantly. Oh no, 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 no! I plan to actually stream more often, by the way. Because I upload daily, and... almost one, yeah. I plan to stream more often because I upload daily, so I need more content. And because I would need to figure out something to record and stuff. Having something to stream and basically clip farm would make the process a lot simpler. If you get what I'm saying. So, your suggestion actually helps me a lot. Well, whether you requested it or not, I was gonna do it anyway. But... still, it gave me a much bigger excuse to start streaming, you know? I keep almost dying to myself. Also helped me because now I now have moderator on by two small streamers. Really, what's the other streamer? Is your goal to just be moderating as much streamers as possible? Just in the off chance that we become popular, you just have so much power, essentially. Not really, but you would be a pretty important person. How do I word this better? But you get what I'm saying. I'm not very good with words. Because I'm introverted as hell. Oh shit! I actually survived that. And no, I didn't. Small streamers are very easy to manipulate. Real. Alright, I'm actually an editor for another small YouTuber, but for some reason they just don't upload anymore, or just started making videos without my help. So. But I think their last episode was a month or two ago. So I think they essentially gave up on... they basically gave up on making videos, I think. And I can also just... Nuke. Yes. Media list and let's just go through multiple guns. Oh! So you basically just started subbing me on multiple accounts just to get me to 100s. I mean, I think I would have gotten it regardless, but seeing as I'm now at 113, but that's still kind of cheating, you know? And that may or may not help me. What I'm concerned about is that YouTube will look at my views and then look at my subscriber counts, and seeing as it's now it now has like multiple subscribers that don't watch my videos, because I'm assuming you don't watch my videos like 5 times on every single account you have, it will lower the amount of views I get. But then again, sometimes I get just multiple hundreds of views on my videos, so it's not that big of a concern to me. Oh no, I hate this map. I hate this map, I'm gonna instantly die. Oh, I'm alive! I completely lost track of where I was, so I just assumed I died. Seeing your name really makes me wonder that, by any chance, are you from the Netherlands? Oh! Hey, I got it right. That's fun. Really, it really, made me, what am I trying to say? It really let me know that you were a Dutch person. I am as well, but believe it or not. I don't know if I ever said this on a video, and I died. For all I know, you're just someone I know, and just decide to help me. That would be crazy. And that's all. That could be sudden foreshadowing. Oh! Oh! Don't German. Yeah, but I'm from the Netherlands, so of course I'm gonna guess my own nationality. How did I eliminate only myself? Got him. Oh! Got him. Spray and pray. Hell yeah. I just lost in Bloxy Bingo. I've never played that game before. How do I always end up managing to only eliminate myself? Oh. I think I'm gonna hold up. I think I'm gonna play another game now. You got any suggestions? I've been searching for a game to play this whole day. Honestly, real. Should I play Forsaken? Oh, oh! I think I'm just gonna play that game. Regardless of what you said, I was probably gonna play. It's also a really great time to test my intermission. So let's see if it works at all. I'm not sure if it is working, so I'm just gonna... That's probably doing it right now, yeah. So let me just go to Forsaken real quick. Yeah, if it wasn't obvious, it's just a stream thumbnail that I just made in 5 seconds. I made it like 5 minutes, not 5 minutes, like an hour before? More or less, yeah. Okay, where's Forsaken? Yeah. Yeah. Sure, what's your username? By the way, you do see the intermission, right? lovely username. Sussy. Nice display name. Alright, give me just a second. And alright, I friended you. Alright, good. Yes. When I first saw you in my comment section, I genuinely thought you were an adult. But now seeing your Roblox account, I I don't think that's really the case. Is it? Am I right? Why am I scrolling for this? I'm not reading it. Hey, yeah. Oh, you've played before. I'll be right back in like 5 seconds. I gotta go. I gotta refill my water bottle. Alright, I'm back. If I was an adult, I would be doing this random stuff. Honestly, fair enough, but you know, some people just have so much time on their hands, you know? You just never know. Yeah. Have I never... Is this... For some reason it looks weird to me. I don't know. Do you have voice chats? Oh, you do have voice chats! Perfect tutorial, right? It's been a hot second since I played, so I'm probably gonna be trash at this. Die! Holy! Oh, I'm at 0. I forgot how to stamina manage. Elliot, come here! Okay, that should have hit! Come on! Okay, I just hit a tree. I'm farming wood. I cannot believe I just missed that. I am so bad at this game. Quite literally. Oh no, it's... Wait, this is a chance. Oh wait, you were the one I killed! You were the Elliot! Oh! I didn't even realize. I just read your name. By the way, I'm not looking at chat right now because I still need to set it up so that so I can actually overlay it, you know. Come here! Alright, I'm done. I'm done being killer, I'm not... doing this... Or it looks like that anti-backshot system is still working. That sounded like an actual villain laugh. I can't tell which one you're actually thinking of. Alright, I am two-time. Watch me mess up my entire thing. What am I trying to say right now? Uh-oh. Least obvious two-time spot. Ritual. Oh hell no. It doesn't help that I'm lagging so badly! Alright, I'm just tanking it. I'm so dead. I'm dead. I'm dead! Alright, that did not work. Alright, which would be a better one for me? Elliot, I would get targeted instantly. 7 and 7, that would actually probably work. Let me try that. Is that baby two-time? Why does he look so weird? Rooting for you, buddy. What am I kidding? You're so gonna die. No, I'm just kidding. Did you just run into a door? And just walk across? Poison, why not? What am I to judge? I'm way worse. Oh my lord, yeah, you just walked to safety. What happened there? Alright, let's see this LMS. A chance at 4%. He's got quite a bit of distance. Not anymore. 1x is literally right around the corner at areas. I think live streaming, lags out my game for some reason. Oh, that sounds about right. Oh, Lord Gasharpoon. Alright, let's see. How do I play? Oh, I'm dead. I'm so dead. I'm... Okay, I saved this. This is definitely not. Yo, what's up? My help. That didn't help. I helped. I should play noob. That probably will be better for me. I would like to learn 7N7. It just seems like a good survivalist. Yo! Wow. Oh, what? Hey? Yeah, I don't think you can... Yeah, let me help you with this. Dumb and Dumber here. Please, let me do the last one! Please! Yes! Level 3. Okay, best not to use my cool GUI now. Otherwise I'm cooked. Oh no, it's gonna be an LMS! Oh no. Oh my lord. You cannot do that to my soul right now. Oh. How did Chance heal? Does Hatfix heal you? Doesn't really matter because I'm so terribly done for. It would take a miracle for me to win LMS right now. Chance, please don't die. Oh no. Well, I have my cool GUI back. That's not good. Oh lord, where are they now? I really... Oh no! I'm cooked! I'm done. I'm done. I'm done. I'm done. I'm done. I'm done. No, no. No! Alright, I think I'm gonna go back to doing noob. This guy is either gonna be terrible as hell, or just the best player you've ever seen. There's no in between. Hey, Nolan. Okay, how is Chance already dead? Did they reset? There's no... Oh, hell no. Okay, why did they gashing wounds there? Yeah, I'm not gonna stand there like a sitting duck right now. Oh, okay. I'm not even gonna question that. I'm just gonna keep on surviving. No, no, you're dead. No, instead, no. Okay, why is it always me that goes into LMS? Seriously. Is it a good hiding spot? No, it is not. Okay, he knows I'm here. Meaning I have to go now. I just ran right in front of him. He probably didn't even know I was there. Okay, yeah, like I said, there's no in between with these guys. Are we the only ones? You're the killer? Alright. Let me just prepare real quick. Definitely running away with that type of stamina management. So I probably will have to fight my way out of a situation. I should also be more passive, I think. Run right past us. Pretty sure you can use the stream to basically stream snipe me. There's nobody else in this stream right now. Yeah, it's only you. Oh. What? Where'd you go? Oh, you're raging base. Oh, I didn't have it's still on cooldown. You missed! You missed your gashing wound! Alright. You ready for the most horrendous gameplay you have ever seen in your entire life? Yeah, let me first get Noli, because I've never played it before. I don't know if it is. Why did I say that like it's better? Panda. Oh, someone's here. Already? Oh, I'm supposed to hold it in. That's fine. That didn't do anything. Alright, come here. Come here, please. I'm bad at stamina managing. Alright, I'm going for you, Nolan. Come here. Come here so I can feel better about myself. Am I blind? Where did you go? Oh, here you are. Hello. I got it! I got it! What? Okay, I just slammed myself into some trash bags. Really accurate to my skill level, you know? This wouldn't even make for good content to clip, so I'm gonna play a different game. You got any suggestions? No, you said earlier that you don't. Alright. Okay. Let me find one. How do you think of my content, by the way? Oh, D-Day. Good. Thank you. Would you say my quality, the quality of my videos have improved, Sam, from what you've seen? From what you have seen? Am I so laggy that Roblox thought I joined you instead of you joining me? Thank you. That's really nice to hear. For me. Anyway. Sharpshooter. I'm gonna start sniping people. Like an annoying prick. I like crazy, you know, when OBS is recording or streaming in this case. I think I should have a more wider range roll like a mortar. Oh my lord. That's the most embarrassing way to die. Just a landmine. That sucks. Fooled me once, shame on you. Fooled me twice, shame on me. Okay, let's not get into it. They were holding it really well. That's quite surprising. Alright, I'm just gonna sand a random mortar, see if it lands anywhere. Wee. Would it might be a good spots too. That is embarrassing. I just realized, why don't I just... Now that I'm streaming anyway, why don't I just, stream making your game? I don't see why that would be a bad idea. Right, but it would take a while to open in Unity. Because usually in Unity, when you create a new project, it has to install all these files into the project so it can actually load an environment. So, and it takes quite a bit of time. So, I'm gonna see if I had made any made a project at all. Just opened one. Let me check that real quick. What Unity up to? finished opening, I'm just gonna load back in. Oh, I killed them both. Oh no, there's still someone left. Not anymore. Well, that's fun. There we go. I better check Unity up now. Alright. Moment of truth. Did I do anything at all? And I need to sign into Unity help. Alright, give me a second. I'm just gonna close and reopen it. Oh, this isn't the best content, is it? I'm gonna join another game. This is not the best game to play with a ton of lag. Okay, still need to. Unity Hub 0.0.0. I think something is wrong with that. Hmm. Oh, I actually did open a project to start working on the game like 9 days ago. Well, you're in luck. It will still take just a tiny bit of time to open it, but not like very, very, very long, you know. Would you be interested in watching me make your game? I'm curious. Okay. There really is this 15-second delay. That's Wi-Fi speed things up, like better Wi-Fi if I get that, like connects it to my router. Or no, is it always the same? Might also be on your side, so even if I change, if I upgrade mine, it might not fix the thing, or it couldn't be on YouTube sites, or I'm hungry, so I'll grab some chips. Be right back. Damn, you're making me hungry. I'm gonna go grab some food as well. you back as well. Unity's still not downloading. I grabbed some ice cream, by the way. Gotta wait for the 15-second delay to catch up. Yeah, how long does it take for you to grab chips? I've been streaming for an hour now. That's cool. You're back? Perfect. If I'm correct, hold up. Unity. Or yes. Please scale back down. Oh, you can see a good chunk of it. Usually if it's scaled in so that it's easier for me to record because no one really cares what I do on the side things to change each object. By the way, do you want to be a moderator on my Discord server? You're already a mod in a stream, so might as well. In fact, I just made a mod role, so I don't even know if the admin role does anything more than a mod, but I might give it more permissions later. The admin role, I mean. Yeah, make it this big for now. Gotta create a material, so I have the color blue. Boom, this is the water, perfect. On it? Okay. And you're officially a mod. You can time out and I think even kick people. Let me check real quick. Please do not abuse it, by the way. Let me check real quick. You can time out people. You can in voice chat you can mute and deafen people. You can move people. You can use the application commands. But you cannot kick people for now. The admin role can, but you're currently a mod. I'm not the I'm not that quick to trust people, you know, so I'm gonna give you something, but it's not everything, you know. Alright, this is water. And this is gonna let you first have it as a bean, because as a wise man once said, bean. Anyway, name that player, move the camera, shove it inside of the bean. Perfect. Line up perfectly. This is just a placeholder model, by the way. I'm gonna replace it with a paper boat later. I'm gonna put the main camera inside of the player, and then add movements. Usually I would just copy and paste the same movement script I usually use for you said I'm gonna check first. I saw you. Usually I put the same movement code, but because yours is a little different, I'm going to need to do some stuff I've never done before. The reason I'm doing this in Unity is because I am horrible with moving stuff in Roblox, like with coding. Like, yeah, I can teleport an object from one place to another, but I think it moves smoothly. Yeah, I use AI for that, and I do not like that, so I just don't want to do it, because I want to learn myself. But I also have to figure that out. And I also do not want to do that on live stream, because this is supposed to be me showcasing what I can do. But enough of that. Let me just start coding. Edit script. I don't think you're gonna be able to see this, so let me fix that. By the way, did you check already, Nolan? Where's the... Gotta get a new one. Window capture coding. Okay. Show code. All right. You can see this, right? You might not be the most interest. This might not be the most interesting thing, but it'll be probably a little bit. What did I do? I'm just gonna start coding. All right, good. All right. Floats. Speed. This is basically just a number variable. So times. Wait. Why don't I just this equals fixed transform that for times speed times time delta time. So it does. Do you want me to explain everything that I do? It'll probably be more interesting than just watching me type words. By the way, I'm eating ice cream right now. If did I type it right? Is that with a capital? Alright. Basically, this just the position of the player, and it's going to add one unit forward. So if so, it also moves with what if you're rotating, it's gonna move what you're facing, if that makes any sense. Yeah, it's gonna times it by the speed, which is the float number variable. So if it's at 5, you'll move like 5 units per second. The reason I'm saying units is because there's not really there's no better way to explain it. Just units. Time to delta time is basically so it happens every second, I think. It's basically to prevent it from playing every single frame, which makes it go flying. So if you put the key down, and key code dots as equals true. Basically, seeing if the player is pressing S. I have to just. Okay, then. Speed. Oh, wait, no. Get key. This basically checks if it's holding down the S key. Set to 2.5. This lets me slow down the boat so you actually have more control. I think in your original comments you said that. Oh, let me actually pull it up real quick. This can be a little difficult. From what I remember, you said you wanted to maintain you said you wanted it to move in the wind. So I'm going to make it rotate randomly. The player can have some control, but ultimately it'll be up to RNG if they run into an obstacle. I can actually test this right now to see how it's working. So the column here is basically to say that this line of code has stopped right there. If not, it'll just show an error, so we don't want that. A literal. I've never had to do that before. So let me get the coding thing out of the way. So that you can actually see the game. Alright. I put the speed at 5, which is usually what I do. Actually, I first have to add a rigid body. Actually, no, why would I do that? A rigid body is basically so it's affects gravity and a bunch of stuff. Basically what you see in platformers. So if I'm correct, it should. Yes. Okay, I forgot to do something. So, else speed set to 5. What this else is, since this checks if S is being pressed. If it's not being pressed, it'll return to normal speed. Alright. And it should work now. Start to tell if it's working. Well, that didn't work. Why did it not work? Alright, I'm just gonna cheat a little. It's false. Guess I don't know what to deal with this entire thing. Hold up. F. Oh. By the way, was this a good first stream? Oh wait, I forgot to let you see the code. Whoops. For better viewing, I'm gonna add a cube so you can actually see the movement. Just adds a couple cubes. Who cares? Throw them around the place. Why not? Yep. Slows down. Okay. You still there? Confused. Anyway. Okay, now I have to rotate. I have no idea how to do that, so let's figure it out. Let me let you see the code again. So it's format rotation plus equals transform not region times how does randomizers work again? No, this how it works in Roblox. Yeah, let's see. I'm always here. Good to hear. It's not an onion emoji. Why'd you put that? Unexpected preprocessor directive. Okay, yeah, this does not work at all. Could have sworn I had. Okay. Okay. Let me just. Okay, no, I'm not doing. Oh, random range. Okay, yeah, that's a lot. That's a lot easier. F. This doesn't need to be a capital. Oh. And 18. Alright, this is gonna be really annoying. Okay, let me pull up another believe it or not, I have never done this before. What am I even? Oh no, fine. Alright, fuck it, let's see. Let's see what this does. Random bullshit go. Am I right? Alright, I hope I don't get banned for that. Let's hope YouTube is not that sensitive. I don't think it is. I usually just speak what's on my mind. It's kind of awkward streaming right now because my brother has a friend over and I'm pretty sure they can just hear me talking. So, that's awkward. But I'm sticking to the grinds, you know. What am I doing? Okay, let's just see what this. I'm just hold up. Players just unless maybe this won't work. There's no way this actually works. Right, but it's gonna spaz out. Watch. Whoa, it's just gonna spaz out. Well, yeah. Oh, yep, there it is. There it is. Why not? Let's see it from the scene's perspective. Where is the player? Oh! What the hell? Yeah, who would have guessed? Dissecting some random code that you don't understand was gonna go wrong. Look at this, look at me go. Remember, this is what I see. Okay, that's kind of funny. Alright, but that's not what I want. I'm so used to Roblox Studio where you can just zoom in like that, but and it just moves your camera. But anyway, what are these sensitive backgrounds? Well, I cannot hear my mic. Is it like static-ish? Okay, let me show you again. Hmm? Okay, let's try this again. Floats equals rotation x. Why not? Let's reuse the name. Why did I put in equals? This by itself doesn't do anything. Now, rotation x equals random dot range minus 5f f. Bam. Alright, first it. Oh yeah, my brother is literally right next to me. No, I mean, his room is right next to me. Next to mine. Why can't I speak properly? I cannot set word it because of my freaking group. Okay. What makes this? What makes this work? Screwed. I'm copying the entire thing. I'm gonna crash out if this actually works. Nope, it's still bobbing upside down. Not upside down, but worse for worse, it's only rotating the camera. I honestly have no idea how that works because I never assigned the camera. It's currently a game module check, but maybe there's just some random reference. It's Unity just has on that's let you move the camera independently or something. I don't know. Okay, let me. Probably should have done this before. Okay, the middle one. If this thing covers what I just did, I basically rotated the player so I can see which number was the variable that not the coordinate I needed. So the y sets. I don't know why the one that I need is. That's a tongue twister. Anyway. Also, you might be about those places. If it's not my brother, it's probably people outside. My window is wide open. I mean, people can probably hear me right now. I don't know if I'm comfortable with that. Yeah, who cares? Alright, why can I not figure this one out? I'm just gonna have this copied and ref Next. I notice only... If you're wondering why I'm not commenting on the things I'm doing right now, simple answer is I have no idea what I'm doing. Alright, well, to rotate. Well, it is. It is technically rotating. Just the camera. And it's moving weirdly completely straight. Alright. So Nolan, what exactly do you want me to make? What's the end goal of the game? Objects. Camera. Hmm. Alright, let me just see what this does. Some sort of Wait, what? Hold up, let me check that video again.
Stop scrolling.
Alright, you probably heard said that. Okay, here's what you said. It's a strategic reaction game where you control paper boats on a pond using a wind meter and to rotate the boat and adjust its speed to navigate around obstacles and like lily pads and branches, aiming to reach your destination while you time your movements with the wind. I'm not sure how that is an obby. Anyway. was like a month ago. How am I supposed to remember? That is fair enough. But let me fact check you on that one. September 9th. So it was 11-ish days ago. Still, fair enough. How are you supposed to remember that? Alright. Rotation. What is the... You may need a capital R? Okay, no, that was correct. Oh wait. Oh wait, I gotta be doing that. Hold up. I'll be right back. Alright, I'm back. I got a squeaky chair, man. Alright, there's no way that actually worked. Let me save. And let's test it. Oh. Right, I am supposed to assign the camera. Main camera. Alright, it should work now. It is working. Look at that. And I mostly figured it out myself. Alright, so now to make it smoother. Let's wait to do that. Time not delta time. Let me show you real quick. Yeah, at the randomized number, just added time.delta time. I explained it to you earlier, but let me see if that's helped. I mean, it did. But it's like really, really, really slow. So, Nolan, what's your favorite number? Pick any number you like. What's your favorite one? I got a fidget toy right now. Three. Alright, that's gonna be way lower. Alright, let's see what this does. Why not? Let's go for it. Did I even save? Oh, I didn't even save. And I also forgot to remove the coding overlay. Alright, play. Let's see this. And it is just a straight line. It's barely moving on left or right. Alright. I'll just put it to 33. Yeah, that's got to do so. I didn't save again. I'm making so many mistakes today. Yippee. No, that didn't do much. Okay, 333. Oh my lord, can I stop instinctually pressing play before actually saving the changed code? By the way, I'm planning to start streaming every Saturday now. I think it's a good little schedule. Okay, that's literally has the same effect as removing that time dot delta time. Alright. Okay. I'm gonna go back to the chaotic one. Or let's see. Does this work better? Is the question. Honestly, it unironically does a lot better. I can just also slow down a bit. I got some control for this. But it is mostly based on RNG, I guess. I can slow down when I'm facing away from where I'm trying to go, and then... Should I play some music? Well, I've been streaming for 2 hours now. I think I should start wrapping it up for today. Do you want to watch me make my new video today? I wonder how that's gonna go, guys. Can I simultaneously record and stream at the same time? I'm curious on that. That probably would have saved me so much time later. Because I can't really use... I don't think I can really use my stream for anything notable yet. For any videos yet. Alright, so... Let me, I know this is gonna lag so badly. But, alright. I'll just do it anyway. Let me remove some stuff first. On OBS, because it's kind of in the way. Remove. No. Window capture. Text. And then I'm going to add notepads, because here is where I write my script in. You know, the script for my videos. Card Chaos is basically the game I already played, so. Okay. What should my video be about? It's definitely gonna be about my first stream, so. So I started my first stream, and it went pretty well, I would say. Okay, Alright. Mostly games, and at the end, select one. By the way, this is just a generalized script. If anything is in the script that's while talking, it's just corny, generic, or whatever, I'll just naturally say it differently. What's the games at the end? One for no one will try. Two for 11 days. No. Speaking of. He is also now a mod for my Discord and streams. I'll start posting clips from I find available. Well, hey, Nolan, do you think I should start making games where you can say a command in chat and it'll influence the game in any way, so you can actually participate in that game with just chats? Do you think you would be interested in that? Discord is in this. No. Because of this app. No. Initially, I had some. This is free. YouTube name was changed, so. Alright. I first have to figure out how to do that, and I think I would need to end up going on Twitch. I think. Maybe I can do it on YouTube as well, but I think I would need to also dual stream on Twitch. So I'll still figure it out. Don't worry. God, let me drink some water. I accidentally just spilled water on my face. I had to figure out how to make which was annoying. That it went smoothly. This feels like writing a diary. remix. Inside to stream every Sat. How do you rate Saturday? Is that right? Hold up. I'm checking the dates. Oh, it's with a U. That's 1930 CAT. Anyway, join the Discords down in the description. It's comments. Yeah, I checked. I just clicked on the date and time. Alright, now comes the fun part. I now have to record. So, moment of truth. Can I record on OBS while streaming? Yes, I can. Alright. So I started my first stream today and it went pretty well, I would say. I mostly gamed and at the end developed one for Nolan, which I needed to do for 11 days now. And speaking of, he is now a mod on my Discord and streams. I'll start posting clips tomorrow if I find anything notable. Initially I had some trouble because OBS was freaking out that my YouTube name was changed, so now I had to figure out how to reconnect it. Which was annoying as hell, but after that went smoothly. Anyway, because of this first stream experience, I decided to start streaming every Saturday at 1930 CAT. Anyway, join the Discord down in the description and the pinned comments. We need the music. Which music should I play? Actually, that might get in the way of editing. Next time I will have some music playing in the background, don't worry. But right now it would kind of be a bad time, cause I rely on actually hearing my own voice. So. By the way, I do the voice recording all in one go, which allows me to edit a lot quicker. The ones I used in my job. Which one is it again? Yeah, the Mirage Saloon. Yep. I can just put the entire Sonic Mania soundtrack in a playlist and have that play out. Guess I'm pretty sure it's pretty long, so that would help. Yep, what am I saying? You know what they say. Speak first, think later. Anyway, okay. Now I also need a window capture for CapCut. Yes, I used CapCut to edit. Why? What do you mean? What other way around? Oh yeah, yeah. Yeah, this is kind of what my brain does. I just speak first, think later. That's kind of why stuttering happens, you know. I got it somewhat under control right now, but it still happens a lot. Anyway, no, I gotta go. Think before speaking. Yeah, it was a joke. I'm not sure why the CapCut's window capture just captures everything. That's concerning. So I'm gonna remove that. It's like just an image for some reason. I want to try this again. Still nothing. Okay, yeah, I fixed it. I think. So, I can test this real quick by just separating the... Yeah, okay, it works. So... Our first raise the volume. That's loud. No breathing for me. Gotta cut all of that out. Pretty well, I would say. Yeah, it's breathing. Gotta get rid of it. Seeing as you're the only one in chat, this kind of makes it a glorified phone call, don't you think? Or a video call, or whatever. Anyway. Gotta import some new stuff. Chilling. Alright, lower that. And then that's the end of ads the backgrounds gameplay. not sure why I added it twice, but I don't really care. Anyway, so the base of the video done. Now I just need to add extra stuff. No one. Oh yeah, it does say that. That is weird. I guess I've been streaming so long that it's just freaking out right now. Also, I doubt it, but I don't know. So, no. All right. Now look at the script again. Okay. Oh yeah, that's. By the way, I should probably by 16, scale it up. So I started my first stream today, and it went pretty well, I would say. I'm mostly gay. But nope. Then scale this up. Put the speed at. Actually, let's just see what it puts itself at when I put it at 1 second. Whatever it's. And at the end. Okay, now let's add some. I can just pick a random. Yeah, just some random recording I made like months ago. Or let's see what this is. Oh, I remember this game. Okay, now I'm just gonna put it like that. And 1 second, yippee. At the end, developed one for Nolan. Play games, and at the end, developed one for. At the end, developed one for no. One for no. Alright. Like this in text messages. Did I really take that? Does the stream have that much latency? Alright, I'm going to take a screenshot of your messages so I can put it in the video. Alright. Alright, you're now officially cemented yourself in my PC. I now have an image of you saying okay. Boom. Poland, which I needed to do for 11 days. Which I just add a bunch of images to make it look more entertaining than it actually is. Needed to do for 11 days now, and speaking of, you know a lot of you know a lot of no, also gonna get and I also have a image of your Discord now. It's in like 5 minutes ago. Is this stream that slow? Oh, I haven't. Apparently. I think it just skipped like 5 minutes or something. Alright, but on my Discord and streams. I'll start posting clips tomorrow. If I find anything notable. Initially, I had some trouble because OBS was freaking out that my YouTube name was changed. So now I had to figure out how to reconnect it, which was annoying as hell, but after that went smoothly. Anyway, because of this first stream experience, I decided to start streaming every Saturday at 19:30 CAT. Anyway, join the Discord down in the description and the pinned comments. And now just auto caption it. I'm not gonna bother doing much more on this video. I already did enough. But also link in my it's public information, man. You can literally just see your Discord name with 2 clicks. Anyone who has the brains to figure out how they can do anything with that information probably could already find that information. Oh, the captions are done. So now I just scale them up. And this is what I usually forget. I need to put them in the classic font, because now it looks better. So I started my first stream today, and it went pretty well, I would say. I mostly gamed and at the end developed. That is so out of tune. Play game. I mostly game. Alright, perfect. Same. I mostly gamed and at the end developed one for Nolan, which I needed to do for 11 days now. And speaking of, he's now a mod on my Discord and stream. No, people aren't smart enough to figure that out. Now they also know, or my TikTok is from the stats, also my Discord. I don't. Mates, one thing is for certain, I don't think you're popular enough to really have anyone really care about getting your information, so there's not much to worry about for you. I don't mean to be rude.
I'll start post.
Why did this capture my
I'll start posting clips tomorrow if I find anything notable. Initially, I had some trouble because OBS was freaking out that my YouTube name was changed. So now I had to figure out how to reconnect it, which was annoying as hell. But after that went smoothly. Anyway, because of this first stream experience, I decided to start streaming every Saturday at like 30 CAT.
I'm just gonna combine that entire thing.
30 CAT. Anyway, join the Discord down in the description and the pin's comment.
Perfect. I'm gonna be nuked by North Korean spies now. Honestly, don't we all? I think it would be better if I just moved this to the top. Never mind, cover some text on the images there. Alright, I think that will be all for the stream today. Any last message you want to send me? Any last thing you want to say to me? I'm gonna be the first. I'm gonna be the first like and view on your video. You probably would. You have probably done that like 5 times by now. I would not be surprised if that was the case. Alright. Bye.